So, while everyone is busy with the latest 360 drone from DJI, we have got updates on the upcoming FPV drone, the Avata 3. A lot of us assumed that the Avata 360 would replace the FPV models, but that's not happening. A new leaked video gives us the very first look at the Avata 3, which is being tested outdoors. While the video seems to be very short, we get a clear look at the design. Moreover, Mauro Tandoi, a popular DJI tipster, has shared interesting facts about the upcoming Avata 3. So let's find out what changes we might see with the Avata 3 and also share our expectations. Igor Bogdanov has recently posted a video on X where you can see an FPV-style drone being landed. Though he claimed to be confused whether it's an Avata 3 or a Neo 3, we can tell that it's the upcoming Avata drone. Now, at first glance, the drone still carries that signature compact sinew hoop style design that made the previous Avata so popular. But if you look closely, it looks more like the latest 360 drone with a panoramic gimbal on the front. This was previously confirmed by Mauro Tandoi, who claimed that the Avata 3 will feature a gimbal with a viewing angle similar to DJI's 360 panoramic camera. However, it does look quite different from the Avata 2, with a much more compact body. Also, we might see radical changes for the drone and how you fly it. According to Mauro Tandoi, he test flew a unit once, and it wasn't as easy as flying the Avata 2 and felt more complicated. Now, another post from Mauro Tandoi shared a few specs that you can expect from the Avata 3. For instance, the Avata 3 will feature a better transmission technology, possibly OcuSync 4 Plus or 5, which will allow the drone to transmit within a 30-kilometer radius. Most importantly, it will improve the signal and offer more stable flying. The Avata 2 had multiple complaints about losing signal mid-flight, and also had issues with stability. Hope DJI will fix that with the upcoming Avata 3 drone. Overall, the Avata 3 looks to be an evolution of the existing DJI Avata 360 camera, with more focus on the first-person view. The post from Mauro Tandoi also shared the expected release window, and it's not coming this year. So, still a long time to wait before you get to see the Avata 3. However, we have our own expectations, like a larger sensor that actually captures every detail and performs even in low light conditions. We are expecting at least a 1-inch sensor, similar to what we have seen on even compact drones like Mini 5 Pro. Then, the battery life needs to be improved significantly. You don't want to swap batteries every now and then, instead of focusing more on what you want to capture. Apart from that, the Avata 3 should be a complete package, and you should definitely wait for it if you are an FPV enthusiast. So, what other upgrades would you love to see with the next FPV drone from DJI